cryptographic forms of money have slowly pervaded the standard awareness and gotten some decent forward movement. Be that as it may, a significant number of them neglect to endure for the long haul and will keep on doing as such, gave it C's mass reception. At the point when a progressive resource stepped in, this was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority yearn for the sake of entertainment. Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2023. As per the Axie Limitlessness Cost Examination, the base cost of Axes will be around $6.09 in 2023. The greatest value that the Axes can reach is $14.79. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2025. In light of our Axes Cost Expectation 2025, the cost of the token is anticipated to rise and reach $19.07 toward the finish of 2025. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2030. As per our Axie Boundlessness Coin Cost Forecast 2030, the Axes crypto may exchange the scope of $41.34 to $59.51, and the typical cost of Axes may be around $50.43. What is Axie Endlessness, Axes? Being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie Limitlessness is based on Ethereum, ETH organization. There are endless approaches to procuring Axie, yet being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, i.e., blockchain remunerating players for commitment, is completely unbelievable in the realm of Axie Limitlessness. Axie Endlessness environment is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axes is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and construct utilizing cryptographic money. Players can acquire the Axes crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight, non-fungible token, NFT games have acquired enormous prominence around the world. Thus, this might support the general development of the Axie environment and ETH, according to our Ethereum cost expectation. From one viewpoint, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion period, on the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out business open doors for the general population and fabricates a climate of a solid local area, cutting the guide to a feasible stage. Clients can claim the local Axie vastness of the Axie commercial center, gather them, and use them across an always extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie Endlessness Convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The benefits of blockchain go past lines and the restrictions of simply the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie Limitlessness, Axes, is set to make lives more engaged and quick. In a novel manner, the Axie Limitlessness Convention has likewise added to killing the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They likewise came in bundles, be it repetitive expenses, speed, or pretend of brokers. Axes totally centers around offering clients the advantage of productive information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and perfect, accordingly supporting its worldview job in the advanced eco-space. Axie Vastness Specialized Examination with a market cap of $807,073,347 and an exchanging volume of $31,366,767, Axie Boundlessness's ongoing cost activity mirrors a good recuperation. The Axie Vastness's cost weights around $6.90, with an untouched high and low of $165.37 and $0.1234, separately, in the crypto market. Axie Boundlessness has an ongoing coursing supply of 116,939,046 Axes, and the originators behind Axie Vastness are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie Endlessness has a great deal of vows to observe for its fans, according to their specialized examination. As per specialized examination, Axes tokens have been exchanging very negatively. In the wake of raising a ruckus around town, the token remedied greatly and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. Notwithstanding, the future cost of Axie Limitlessness, Axes, is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is Axie Limitlessness still productive in 2023? Axie Boundlessness universe offers many advantages, however the year 2022 was not awesome for the digital money market. The market was very unpredictable, and the gamble to rewards proportion was likewise negative. The year 2023 has been somewhat better for crypto financial backers as the market has been recuperating. Nonetheless, the recuperation of Axie Boundlessness was extremely present moment, and the costs have again arrived at the lows of 2022. Axes holders might add more tokens to average their property, however for new financial backers, it is a hazardous chance to enter the market. Nonetheless, since the cost is supposed to rise, brokers who can bear the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie endlessness shards. As per Gov Capital, Axie limitlessness has a promising future. It is anticipated that the cost of Axie boundlessness might skyrocket to $101.252, making it a wise venture by 2027. Simultaneously, the Value Expectations Examination proposes that the cost of Axie vastness might reach $154.47 by 2030. Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2023 or Axie Vastness Crypto Cost Forecast proposes that the symbolics cost could record a nice recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the Axie Endlessness's cost is gauged to have a most extreme worth of $14.79, while the typical cost might be around $10.44. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $6.09. Axes Coin Value Expectation 2024. According to our Axie boundlessness cost expectation, the Axes coin will proceed the upswing as long as possible, and its most extreme worth might reach $17.31. While the base cost might be $12.02. Simultaneously, the Axes token could have a typical cost of around $14.66. It is normal that the Axes financial backers might procure fair benefits in the year. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast 2025 Axie Vastness, Axes, in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $16.16. While the base and most extreme Axie boundlessness cost may be $13.25 and $19.07, separately, in view of our Axie Limitlessness Coin Cost Expectation 2025. Axes Value Expectation 2026. According to the Axie Limitlessness figure, the Axes coins could arrive at the greatest worth of $23.44, with a base cost of $16.28. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $19.86. In light of our cost expectations, the Axie Vastness coin's cost ascent for the year may be tremendous. Axes Crypto Value Forecast 2027. In light of the specialized examination and Axie limitlessness expectation, the digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $25.24. In correlation, the base and greatest costs of Axes are expected to be $20.69 and $29.79. Axie Endlessness Coin Value Expectation 2028 is indicated by our Axie Limitlessness forecast. The most extreme worth is expected to be $37.52, while the potential low might be around $26.06. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $31.79 all year long. Axie Boundlessness Coin Forecast 2029. When it is 2029, the possible high of the coin might have reached $46.71, according to our Axie Vastness Crypto Cost Expectation.